Want to add smooth vaulting system to your Roblox game? Here's how to do it with basic scripting and animations. Step 1. Open Roblox Studio and insert a starter character. You'll need a custom animation rig. Step 2. Upload a vault animation using the animation editor. Save the animation ID. Step 3. Add a small invisible part above waist height in front of vaultable objects. This will act as a trigger. Step 4. In a local script, inside starter player and then starter character scripts, write a basic vault detection script. Step 5. Test the system. Make sure the vault animation plays when the player faces the vault part and presses space. And that's it. You now have a basic vaulting system in Roblox Studio, perfect for parkour, FPS, or obby games. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful, and don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.